Hello, I'm John from IH Manchester, and today I'm going to show you how to join our classes on Zoom. Now, I've already downloaded Zoom on my laptop. Really easy to do. So first, download Zoom on your laptop or your phone. Laptop or computer, always better. Next thing you need to do is go to the new student timetable, which we will send you. Open that up. It'll have your name, the name of your class, the level of your class, the time of your class and your teacher, the days of your class, and it'll have the link to your classroom, and down here it'll have your password. If you're having any technical problems while you're joining our classroom, you can ring or WhatsApp this number and we'll be able to help you. So we click on our link, that'll open up Zoom. And then it'll ask for a password. So I put in the password and join meeting. Opens up and soon I'll be there. And here I go. So here I am in my classroom. I'm going to turn on my video. Sorry, I'm going to join audio first. And I'm going to join my
Good
real video.
morning.
My teacher is going to say good morning to me, and the other student is there as well. Hi, Mina.
Hi, good morning.
Fantastic.